this is a short video that I just created using AI in Google Vids. Now, in case you didn't know, Google Vids is a new tool from Google. Actually, not new anymore because it has been around for more than a year. But basically, you can use this AI tool to create a short video. Like you can create a video about a new product or a new update, or maybe some video summarizing a meeting that you can share within your company. So it is very good at creating that kind of video, and it will include some text, stock video or stock footage, and also it will narrate the whole video. Right now you didn't hear anything because I muted the page, but there is a narration on this video. So if you want to use Google Vids, you can either join Google One program, which is a paid plan from Google, but you can also get it for free. But you have to join Google Workspace program. This is the URL. You can go to this page and then you can join. Just submit your email, and after that you can use Google Vids completely for free. Now, if you want to access Google Vids and maybe creating a video, let's go to Google first and then type Google Vids. I think that's the easiest way to find Google Vids. And then click on the first result. Just click sign in. And for this demonstration, I'll try to create a video, maybe about summarizing a meeting. Oh, I forgot to mention that there is actually another way to create a video. You can start with a blank template, or you can also record yourself or upload some videos, and you can start with a template. But if you want to use the AI feature, just click this option, plan your video story. And then you can describe to AI about the video that you want to create. So in this case, I want to create a meeting summary video based on the following document. And then if you want to reference a document from your Google Drive account, you can type the add symbol, the add character on the keyboard, and then select the document that you want AI to reference. So I will try to use this meeting summary document. And after that, once you're ready with the prompt and also the document, just click next, and it will create the outline for the video. And of course, you can always modify the outline. Just click the pencil icon and then you can change the text. You can also add more outline or delete the outline. It's totally up to you. But when you're done with the outline, you can click next, and then you have to select the template for the video. So here there are multiple templates, but I would say the selections are very limited. But still, I think it's still very good. I think they look amazing. And I'll try to use maybe, let's try this one. It looks more corporate theme, and it will give you some preview about the designs that you could get on the video. And of course, if you're not quite satisfied with the design, you can also go back and then select a different design. But in this case, I'll continue and I'll click create the draft video. Now just wait for Gemini, actually not Gemini, Google Vids. Maybe it's using Gemini, I don't know, but basically Google Vids is creating my video. Usually this process would take less than a minute. So I'll be back very soon. All right, it is basically done. And yeah, you can see that this is quite easy to use. It's much simpler than typical video editor. So I would say it's very similar to Google Slides, except every single slide is being treated as a video scene. And this tool will automatically add appropriate background music, and also it will add AI narration, which I think is very useful to make the video more engaging. So I guess I'm going to play this video so you can listen and watch the result.
This video summarizes key points from the recent product development sync meeting. Let's review the key discussions and action items from our recent product development sync meeting. This video will walk you through the main topics, decisions, and tasks discussed.
Okay, yeah, the video sound and look like that. And of course, you can always click on the video and then you can change the media if you want to. And there are many things that you can do, like you can change the music, you can change the transition effect, and many other settings. And of course, if you're not happy with the voiceover, you can replace it with a different AI that sounds maybe more engaging or different gender. It is available on Google Vids. Now, it will take forever for me to describe every single thing that you can do with Google Vids, but more or less, this is quite similar to Google Docs and Google Slides. So if you have been using those tools, using Google Vids would be very easy. And by the way, if you want to get this video as an MP4 file, so you can upload it maybe on YouTube, then you can click File, and then click download as MP4. And you can also just share the document via link so people can see the video without actually downloading the file. So that's basically the Google Vids feature. I think that's this is very useful AI tool, and I really encourage you to use Google Vids to create a short video to save your time. And not to mention, this is one of the best ways to utilize AI in your workspace. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.